Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reading some news coming from the crypto space with you, and then an interesting article about the bull market for Bitcoin. Okay, so actually the first two important news are one coming from Siemens, which is eager to join the blockchain environment. You see, Siemens evaluates blockchain potential for car sharing, and the second one is coming from John McAfee, the guru of cryptocurrencies, which is actually answering to Trump, stated that it is impossible to regulate cryptocurrencies, and the regulation will only hurt users. Okay, so as we know, there is the a long-term challenge between John McAfee and Trump. But I've seen here a quite interesting article by Juan Villaverde, strongest bull market in Bitcoin history. Let's read through and let's see if I agree or not with him. Okay, so Bitcoin hit the rock bottom on December 15, 2018. Okay, at the time, actually, according to CoinMarketCap, was trading as low as 3,200 US dollar. Okay, and then it bounced back. Actually, let's see here. This is the strongest first phase of any bull market in the entire history of Bitcoin. And here is explaining how we reached this conclusion. Okay? Actually, he's stating that based on cycles model, we clearly define rules to identify major bull bear cycle as follows. So cycle one, the bull period was from July 2010 till June 2011. The bear cycle was from June 2011 to November 2019. And then actually he's finding out four cycles, okay, with obviously every cycle with the bull and the bear cycle, sub-cycle, let's say. Cycle number two, bullish cycle November 2019 till December 2013, cycle from December 2013, same year, to January 2015. Third cycle, January 15, December 17, and then December 17, December 18, which means 1 year cycle, while it seems that all the bull cycles as we see here are actually around 2 years, with the exception of the first cycle where it was actually only 1 year. So this, okay, he stated that the new bull cycle started in December 2018. I would say that I have a slightly different opinion, because to me the bullish cycle started in March, April 2019, so 4 months later. But more or less we are there. Okay, so let's keep reading. Second, within each major bull market, our model identifies a series of primary trading cycles, each ending in regular corrections of about 30% or more. Third, each trading day of the year, we ask the question, where are we now? Here is the answer for today, July 10, 2019. The new Bitcoin bull market is now confirmed in full swing. The first trading cycle ended up just days ago in late June, which is more or less my same opinion. I also agree with that, and we have already seen the first regular 30% correction. Okay, related to the 30% correction, I would say that actually stating from 10,000 US dollar, the Bitcoin might rebound back. I'm more dubious. I have more doubts. Actually, think that we might see 8,000 US dollar. Okay, so now the big question is, how does the first trading cycle of this bull market compare to the first trading cycle of prior bull markets? Specifically, we want to know two things about the first trading cycle of each Bitcoin bull. How far does Bitcoin rise from its bear market low? How close does Bitcoin go to its prior bull market high? So let's see here. Oh, actually, he's identifying Bitcoin 2011, 2012, the first bull cycle, then the bear cycle, 77% from prior all-time high, and then actually plus 263% for now. That was in 2012. Actually, as you can see, after Bitcoin hit rock bottom, its first trading cycle, it was actually with the 30% type correction was 263%. So let's go back to the time. Let's go back to now. Let's be back to now. Okay, so let's have a look here. How strong Bitcoin has been so far in 2019. Actually, if we compare this chart with the previous ones, we see that the bull market his right seems to be stronger this time. Okay, so 2018, 2019, 2014, 2016, here we have 2011, 2012. So actually, 2011, 2012, this was the beginning of the first trading bull cycle. Here, 2014, 2016, actually what we see here is much stronger. He's right, actually. Never in the history of Bitcoin we have seen such trend coming right out of a bear market. Repeat, look how close Bitcoin is to breaching its all-time high. Both in 2011 and 2014, it took years for Bitcoin to get this far, even more time to exceed its prior peaks. So, final question, what happens if Bitcoin can maintain its 2019 momentum? It could even make new all-time highs by year end or early 2020, which is something it can happen. Okay guys, for today is everything. See you soon.